Hi, this is Subhashini, and I welcome you to this session on linear regression. Picture this: you're running a lemonade stand. You're curious how your earnings change with each cup of lemonade you sell. Now imagine a magic math tool that can predict exactly that. This is where linear regression steps into the picture. Linear regression is the artist sketching a line through a scatter of points on a graph. Each point represents a piece of data, like the number of lemonade cups sold and the earnings. This line then becomes our guide, showing us the pattern in our data and helping us make predictions. Output. Imagine we plot the number of cups of lemonade sold, which we'll refer to as X, on the horizontal axis and the earnings, or BI, on the vertical axis. We might find a relationship described by a simple linear equation: y equals 2 times x. Here, x symbolizes the number of lemonade cups sold and y symbolizes the earnings. The number 2 here represents the slope of our line, which tells us that for every cup of lemonade sold, you pocket $2. Now, correlation enters the scene. Correlation gauges how closely intertwined two variables are. In our lemonade stand scenario, there's a strong positive correlation between the number of cups sold and the earnings. It's akin to how a sunny day entices more people to quench their thirst with lemonade. Output. Let's bring this into real-world context. Envision running a toy company, curious about how the pricing of a toy impacts its sales. Applying linear regression, you can dissect data from past sales to foretell future sales based on varying prices. Or consider social media. Ever pondered over the number of likes a post might garner based on your friend count? Linear regression assists social media companies in predicting engagement levels for different users, enabling them to customize your feed to display content you're most likely to enjoy. Do stay in touch, like and subscribe. Whether you're in the business of selling lemonade, toys, or crafting the perfect social media post, linear regression becomes your secret weapon for making predictions and understanding how things correlate. It's akin to possessing a crystal ball that deciphers the language of numbers. So dive in, explore the fascinating world of linear regression, and unlock the potential of data in your hands. Remember, every number has a story to tell, and linear regression can help you narrate it.